You know, ever since I started my YouTube journey, I've never made any video regarding any kind of awards. But still, despite that, I used to held on to the hope of national awards. I used to wait for the national award announcements because I thought they carried some weight, some credibility. Every year when the national awards are announced, there is this moment, like I'm holding my breath, a tiny flicker of hope that maybe this year, every goddamn win will be based on merit. But then the list drops and I just look at the screen, scratching my head and cursing myself, literally cursing myself that
ये तो टट्टी है.
why was I holding on to that hope? So yeah, this year national awards are also no different, and something inside me urged me to sit down and record a video regarding this year's national awards. Yes, there are some wins that I'm extremely happy about, but then there are certain other wins where I'm just scratching my head thinking, what were they smoking? Like, is the jury collectively trying to tell the people that, you know what, you are stupid, you are dumb, and we're going to do whatever the hell we want, and you can't do anything about it? Because I feel at this point they are mocking us. They are literally mocking us. There can't be any other logical reason in my head right now. Now, I have not seen all the films that are part of the winners list, but the ones that I have seen, I definitely have an opinion about that. Let me start with the major categories, which is the best actor, male and female. Vikrant Massey, for 12th fail, very, very well deserved. That decision somewhere restores a little bit of faith in me. It was a very grounded, emotionally raw performance, and I'm extremely happy for him. So kudos to him. Now, if you're familiar with the National Award winners, you know that this was a shared award, and the second best male actor went to Shah Rukh Khan for Jawan. And here I have a problem. Not because I don't like Shah Rukh Khan. I love Shah Rukh Khan. He has been one of my favorite actors growing up. He has an amazing career spanning 3 decades. Does he deserve a national award? Absolutely yes. But does he deserve it for Jawan?
नहीं.
Yes, Jawan is an entertaining film, no doubt. But you are telling me that he gets a national award for his performance in Jawan and not Swades, and not Dil Se, and not My Name is Khan, and not Chak De India. Really? Yeah, doesn't make sense to me at all. I know the opinions on this are probably extremely divided and I'm probably gonna get bashed in the comment section, but here is my opinion. Shah Rukh definitely deserves a national award, but he doesn't deserve it for Jawan. That's all I'm gonna say. Now, when it comes to the best actor female, we have Rani Mukherjee for Mrs. Chatterjee versus Norway. I think very well deserved. So, applause for that. She was fabulous in the film, loved her acting. Again, she has been one of my favorite actors growing up. Additionally, I also think that she should have gotten her national award long back when Black was released. But better late than never, because I think her performance in Mrs. Chatterjee vs. Norway was incredible. But one problem I have here also. Why haven't we given Urvashi ma'am the best actor female as well? Why has she won for best supporting actor? I don't think she was the supporting actor in Ulladukku. Her and Parvati both were the main leads. So if the best actor male award can be shared, why can't it be done for the best actor female award? Why has she been put in the best supporting actor category? Make it make sense, because it doesn't make sense to me. But if you think that no, Ashmita, you're wrong here. I think Urvashi ma'am deserved it in the best supporting actor category. I am all open for that logic if you explain it logically in the comment section for me. Oh, now let's come to the next one. This has been the talk of the town. The best direction national award went to the Kerala Story. This is too funny.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
I know people are pissed, but I find it hilarious because, again, like I said in the beginning, it is the jury literally mocking us.
क्या हो गया तुम्हें? क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हो?
Literally mocking us that, you guys are all dumb fucks. So we're gonna do whatever the hell we want and you can't do anything about it. Just give it to Vidhu Vinod Chopra for 12th fail. How difficult it is to understand that. You are telling me that the Kerala Story had a better direction than 12th fail? You are telling me that the Kerala Story had better direction than Ulladukku? I'm sorry to say, but Jawan had better direction than the Kerala Story. Forget the controversy that arises from the film. I'm keeping all of that aside. Let's look at the film objectively. Still, it doesn't stand a chance in best direction category. Doesn't make any logical sense to me whatsoever. As per me, I think Vidhu Vinod Chopra should have won the best direction for 12th fail. And also, the Kerala Story won another award. This is too funny. I'm sorry. I know people are pissed, but I find it hilarious. I really find all of this like this is a circus that is going on in front of my eyes. Best cinematography. How is this not funny? This is a joke. This is a joke on all of us. Yes, best cinematography. And a film which had such amazing cinematography was not even a contender, was not even considered for national awards, which is Aadu Jeevitam, The Goat Life. This film got completely snubbed because this film had at least, I would say, 4 really great categories to compete in. One is direction, one is cinematography, one is background score, and the last one is best actor. Like, The Goat Life was a solid competition, and this movie got completely snubbed. And the jury is giving the reason that this film was not authentic enough.
इस सज्जन को क्या तकलीफ है भाई? क्या तकलीफ है इनको?
Did we watch the same film? What is going on? The Kerala Story cinematography is better than Aadu Jeevitam? What? How is this not a twisted joke being played upon us? How is this not? Aadu Jeevitam is one of the most stunning films that I have watched. The 4 categories I mentioned, honestly, if you want to share the Best Actor award, it should have been given to Vikrant Massey and Prithvi Raj. This is absolutely crazy. I when I saw this winner list, my mind was blown away, and not in a great sense. Oh, and then another joke got played on us. Hold your breath. Best feature film for giving wholesome content. Rocky और रानी की प्रेम कहानी. This is too much. This cannot be real. But it is real. I was looking at the list and I thought to myself, what is going on? Wholesome content? Just give it to 12th fail. Nothing can be more wholesome than that inspiring story. I mean, yes, Rocky and Rani is a very entertaining film. I mean, it's my guilty pleasure, to be very honest. It's my guilty pleasure movie. But national award winning worthy? There's no way. I mean, I think the jury deliberately wants us to hate them, and they deliberately want us to think that National Award has lost its value, basically. Like, they're saying, yeah, don't bother. But yes, I feel I've ranted a lot. I don't think it's a rant. Like I said, I find it funny. It's like a circus. But there are definitely other winners who I thought were well deserved. Like Kathal, it won the best Hindi feature film. Very nice satire, because I feel that in Hindi cinema, satire is something that, again, I don't know, it's just vanished. And Kathal was a very refreshing change. It's a fun movie. It hits all the right notes in terms of satire and getting the point across and getting the social message across. So I'm very happy that it got recognized. Ulladukku bidding for the best Malayalam feature film, 100% justified. Very happy with this result. Animal won the best background score. I love the background score for Animal, actually. It is very well curated. It really elevates the film. But for me, this is a personal opinion, I think Aadu Jeevitam deserved that award. The score is legit a character in that film. And again, I feel that Aadu Jeevitam was completely robbed, completely snubbed from these awards. So unfair. Other wins that I thought were well deserved. One is Sam Bahadur for promoting national interests. Then Hanuman winning for the best action. I thought that was also very well deserved. So yeah, a couple of wins, extremely good, very well deserved. But it still begs the question that what is that point where these awards also completely lose their credibility? Because honestly, the popular awards like Filmfare, there's so many awards, they've already lost all of their credibility. Like, watching an award show used to be like a family event, and now I don't even bother. Don't even bother one bit looking at the popular awards. I don't care. And the care that I have for the national awards, I think that percentage is reducing year by year because of the kind of justification that they give for choosing their winners. Like, what is the benchmark? How are you judging? On what basis are you judging? You're just saying that a film like Aadu Jeevitam was not authentic. What are your criteria for authenticity? Please tell me. Please tell me, jury. Doesn't make any sense to me whatsoever. So yes, that was like a little opinion piece on the national awards, and I would love to know your thoughts. And yeah, I'm gonna sign off now, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye.